What's up? So this is going to be another trade recap. I'm going to go over it real quickly on what happened today. So obviously, price, we did have good PA. We did have some good PA in New York, and I see a lot of people say it was patched. I don't think it's patched, but New York session played out relatively good today in terms of price action. And so coming into market, well, let's first address the elephant in the room. I obviously lost over here. I was going for short. Saw this FEG, this displacement, at the kill zone. At before kill zone, price made a price created a displacement. Here and here, as well as a break of structure to the downside. So I was thinking that we could go towards these high time frame sell side liquidity. But well, obviously it didn't, and so we went back up and it hit my stop loss, and wasn't good at all. It is what it is. You just have to take L's. It's just how the game is, really. And honestly, I should have saw it coming, since there was this big fast bullish candle coming up close that was reaching this displacement, this bearish displacement. That itself should have indicated me that since price was willing to go up several points in a fast duration, it would have indicated to me that price was done taking out sell side liquidity, even though we were so close to here. And also, not only this is high time frame S&T, me thinking that okay, let's there's a good chance, but obviously I came in too late. Party was over and I got wicked out, obviously. And so if you saw today, there was obviously a sell off for MES. For MES. We obviously hit this high time frame liquidity, as well as whilst NQ didn't, and so there was that SMT. So it did prompted me to think that NQ did not have the enough cumulative money to push price up, and so as ES went down, NQ went down with it as well. Well, NQ went down, and ES went down with it as well to grab money here. And at Killzone Open, I saw this displacement here and here and here. So I was like, okay, we're gonna go take out sell side, but obviously I didn't play out too well. And before market open, I saw that I saw price, so overnight. Let me just go here. Overnight, this is previous day high, this is previous day low, previous day high during the overnight hours Asia session. So there was this I think this was AMD playing out, so accumulation, manipulation, and the distribution after taking out a bunch of stops, going down here to I'm realizing this now, to this impulsive swing up, this range went down to discount, then just to kick off a London session. And London session, I don't know really how to describe it that much. We took out Asia high, we consolidated here for a good bit at this FEG, and we then coming into at around 8-ish pre-market, during pre-market NY open, we took out London high, going down, then we sold off, taking out this low, creating a new low. Then obviously we had the consolidation as well. There was this consolidation. Let me go to the 1 minute. This is better. So there was this consolidation, and at 9:30 we run up into buy side. We run up into buy side. Price ran up into buy side after creating this FEG. Well, didn't create the Well, we ran up and then we went back down to tap into this FEG to take out buy side liquidity. Sorry guys, my throat is a little. It's spring season, so my throat obviously is not the best. But we took out buy side. And in order to liquidate the long positions, price came out to, gosh, what my vocabulary is so bad today, dude. Price came out to flush out any orders that they had at these bearish liquidity voids. Hence why it came down here, creating these failure highs, breaking structure here. And engineering buy stops, which I do believe that since they didn't have enough money, price obviously wanted to go create this huge sell-off after liquidating the long positions at bearish liquidity voids, and creating these fairly highs. Also, ES taking out these highs as well. So these highs, NQ sold off, obviously, creating displacements, and eventual displacements. And so I was like, okay, bet we're gonna go bearish. I was thinking that we would take out these sell side liquidities, but obviously it didn't pan out. And so now since price is now done taking out sell side liquidity, it's reversing back up in a weird choppy way, to fill these voids as well. And we could, I think, maybe price could now go take out these buy side liquidity. So yeah, man, it was a really weird, rough day this past week, these past 2 weeks. Obviously, PA has not been the best so far. And these were my confluences. So the high time frame buy side FEG, obviously this shit, as well as this sweep on ES, the S&T on NQ, clear draws on liquidity, which were this, and this. And the FEGs and displacements made before kill zone. So right, the sell off. So right here was my displacement limit sell order to take out these sell stops right here. And I think I risked about like 256. Yeah, I risked about 256, and that's how much I actually lost. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be trading the next day. It's part of my risk management. Not gonna be trading tomorrow. I will be trading on Friday though. I might have to check on news. But yeah, that's just that is for the that's peak price action for the date of March 25th, 2026. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. Yeah, see you later.